All right, y'all, welcome to another episode of Restless Iron. So, in the shop today, we've got our Monster Moto mini bike. Originally came with a 3.5 horsepower motor, and we are going to swap it out with, let's get this swung around here, with the Harbor Freight Predator 212, and it's got a torque converter on it. So, first things first, we've got this plate here for the original motor, but it's too low. So we're gonna have to cut this plate out, and we're gonna have to widen out these foot pegs. So we're gonna cut this piece of pipe out here. We'll lob off our foot pegs and use them on something else, and then we're gonna bring another plate and bring it up, probably put some square tubing in here across, and another piece of square tube across here to hold our plate, and so we can get a little lift out for our new motor. So we'll get on that, and we'll show you how it looks here in just a bit, okay? All right, y'all, we got that plate out of there, and now we're gonna start mocking up for our new plate. All right, y'all, well, we've decided we're gonna have to extend the frame a little bit. We're probably gonna do either 2 or 3 inches. We're gonna end up cutting the frame, top, both sides, and on the bottom, because we've run into it's being a little tight here on the torque converter, and also on this oil fill cap. So we're gonna cut the frame, add a couple inches, give us a little more room. Believe we've got our height adjustment figured out. So cut it up and we'll see how she goes. All right, y'all, it's been a busy day here. We have split the frame and extended it. That's just a mock-up, no, don't worry. We have run into a little issue. Our rear sprocket is a number 35 chain. And the chain we really want to put on it is a 420 or 42 chain that matches up with our torque converter here. So we're gonna have to wait on parts. Maybe the old Amazon or Scamazon, as Terrell Fixes All says. Maybe they'll get it to us here in a couple days. But it's been a good day here in the shop. We did cut down these handlebars, make it a little cafe-esque style. So I'm still not sure where we're gonna put all the lickies and chewies, just trying to make sure we got everything lined up, motor, chain, rear sprocket, and we'll go from there. But I appreciate you stopping by, and if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. We'll be doing a lot more, so stay tuned.